King 42.
Give it here. Got a blacked out vehicle, Volkswagen 128, and about the 500 block.
Police 2 closed, 16 42 number 2. 128, 500 block.
DA.
King 42, your status?
42, northbound 5, he just rammed my vehicle.
Northbound 5, just rammed the vehicle.
Team 1 en route.
Copy.
Give me, or let state know we're northbound 5, outside lane, 82 miles an hour, occupied 3 times. 2 males, 1 female in the back seat.
Received, northbound I-5, outside lane, 82 miles per hour, occupied by 3. We're in on I-5.
Passing 112th Street, park and ride in the carpool lane now.
112th Street, park and ride, carpool lane. Do you want county to head that way?
We're about to pass the Everett Mall exit, so we could get maybe the county unit or state to maybe set up spikes. Outside lane, traffic is medium, speeds 100.
Following a V Victor. Following a Toyota Corolla Silver, V Victor out of Everett. SO. Team 42, patching Peace Officer number 4 with state.
6 King 42, we're coming up to the 41st Street exit.
41st.
Other than the stolen, do you have PT for assault for the ramming?
For felony assault.
I copy felony assault for the ram.
42, we're past the 41st Street exit.
Copy.
King 2, I'm on 41st.
King 2.
Continuing north on, looks like he got off on a Hewitt Avenue trestle.
On the trestle.
Eastbound.
Eastbound on the trestle.
6 King 42, I just lost my siren. Still got lights though.
Running without a siren, lights on.
King 2, I'm almost captured now, but I got my bearing.
We have a unit ready to place spikes. The vehicle goes east.
42, let Lake Stevens know it's disregard. We're going east on Highway 2.
Eastbound Highway 2.
42, I got a state unit behind me.
Copy. Unit en route with spikes.
We're approaching Snohomish cutoff.
Received.
Taking to Bickford Avenue.
Bickford Avenue exit.
42, 1 at gunpoint.
1 again, plot.
17, Sam 20, where's he at?
Bickford Avenue exit from the trestle. I'm sorry, for Highway 2.
Copy. All the snow machines are on their way.
Copy. Snow machines on the way.
King 2, driver in custody, getting passengers out.
Driver in custody, getting passenger out.
King 2, all occupants in the vehicle in custody, code 4, and have unit slow down.
All occupants of the vehicle in custody is their code 4, all incoming can slow down.
1642, we're code 4, you can open the air, thank you very much.
Copy. Code 4, open the air. Police 2 is open, 2304.
42.
Go ahead.
Just for, I guess, documentation, we're on the overpass to Highway 2 at the Bickford cutoff.
Copy. The overpass Highway 2, Bickford cutoff. Do we need the patch to continue?
Negative.
Copy. Take down the patch. 1642 vehicle is confirmed.
Is it stolen?
Affirm.